Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake pops using fudge bars. First, unwrap about 12 fudge bars. Place them into a large bowl or a food processor. Crumble the bars thoroughly until they resemble fine cake crumbs. This step is crucial for achieving the right consistency, so make sure there are no large pieces left. A food processor makes this process quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Next, add about 4 ounces of softened cream cheese to your crumbled fudge bars. Mix these ingredients together until a cohesive dough forms. It should be firm enough to hold its shape but not overly sticky. Once combined, roll the mixture into small, uniform balls, roughly 1 inch in diameter. You should get around 24 cake pops from this batch. Place them on a parchment-lined tray. Now, place your rolled cake balls into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time helps them firm up, preventing them from falling apart during the dipping process. While they chill, prepare your candy melts. Melt about 12 ounces of your preferred color in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Dip the tip of each lollipop stick into the melted chocolate before inserting it halfway into a chilled cake ball. Finally, dip each cake pop completely into the melted chocolate, ensuring full coverage. Gently tap off any excess chocolate. Before the chocolate sets, add your desired sprinkles or drizzles for decoration. Place them upright in a styrofoam block to dry. These delicious treats are perfect for parties or a sweet snack. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.